If you're thinking that maybe it's time to change your business email from this to this, well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I will show you exactly how you can create a professional looking business email with Hostinger in just a few minutes. Sounds good? All right, let's dive in. Okay, so before we move on, let's quickly review what a custom business email is and why it's the way to go. So when you create an email address with email providers like Gmail or Yahoo, you'll get gmail.com or yahoo.com after the @ which are the domain names. Since anyone can get an email account using these providers, your business email just doesn't stand out. Meanwhile, a custom business email has your own domain name after the @ which you can think of yourself and register like david@realestate.com. Having your business domain name in your email address helps you reinforce your brand and make it look more trustworthy. With your own domain name, you can also create multiple email addresses, for example, info@realestate.com or support@realestate.com for different purposes. Okay, so now that you know that you'll need a domain name to get started, let's talk about email hosting. It's used to receive, store, access, and send emails. Your domain is then connected to a service provided by an email hosting provider. So this might sound a little bit confusing, but with Hostinger, it's all pretty simple. You can purchase an email hosting plan and then buy and register a domain name during the onboarding process, which I'll show you in a second. But just keep in mind that if you already have a web hosting plan with Hostinger, there's no need to buy an additional email hosting or custom domain as they are already included. However, if you don't have a hosting plan yet, click the first link in the description to go to Hostinger's landing page. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see 2 email hosting plans. To just give you a quick introduction, if you're just starting out, the business starter plan is a better choice as the name suggests. But if you need some extra storage, I'd recommend going for a business premium plan. Okay, once you've selected your plan, choose the number of mailboxes and the subscription duration. To save some money, I recommend going for the 2 or 4-year plan since their monthly cost is lower. And to save even more, you can apply our code HA10 for an extra 10% discount. Then just fill in the information and finish the payment. Okay, once you've completed your purchase, you can immediately set up your email plan, and it only takes a few minutes and the onboarding will start automatically. So click start now, and the first step is to set up your domain, which we already discussed before. As you see, there are 3 different options. You can use the domain name that you already have registered at Hostinger previously, and the setup will be automatic. You may also use your domain name from another registrar like GoDaddy, for instance. The setup will be manual then, but you can follow the provided steps and it should all be clear and simple. If you don't have a domain name yet, you can simply purchase one at this step. So select buy a domain and type in the domain name you want. You'll see if your domain name is available or if someone else is already using it. Don't rush the decision though. Think it through and double check if you didn't leave any typos. Most importantly, if you see that your domain name is taken, let's say it's realestate.com, you can try it with a different domain extension like .org, .net, and so on. Of course, each domain extension is usually used for a specific purpose, so if you want to learn more, check out this page. Here, not only can you check the domain's availability, but also see different domain extensions at the bottom of this page. You can click on them to read more, and I'll drop the link in the description below for you. Once you pick the right domain name, you'll need to register it first. So follow the provided steps and fill in the required information. Okay, next it's time to create your email account. Your domain will be already filled in, so all you need to do is pick a name like help, info, or your own personal name actually. Though I recommend to keep it short and then set a password which you can use to log into your account. That's it. Now finish the setup by clicking here and then select connect devices. Good. First, let's take a look at our new email dashboard. So let's hit the webmail button right here, type in the password, and here it is. If the setup is successful, you'll see this welcome letter in your inbox. All right, so now that you have your business email ready to go, you're looking solid and professional. But we can do one more thing to take it to the next level. One of the ways to convey your brand's identity even more is by creating an email signature. You've probably seen letters like this that have a person's full name, company name, contacts, and logo after every message. So you can create one for yourself by going to settings over here, selecting identities, and choosing the email address. Then add the information that you want to be visible in the signature section. So for example, let's add the name John Hostinger. Then company, address, you can add your phone number, social media contacts, well, just anything that you think is needed. And then click on the image icon to open the formatting options. So here you can play with the fonts, styles, and stuff. And if you click on the 3 dots, you can upload your logo or a picture of yourself as well. Okay, so to test it out, I'll send a letter to myself. So let's just type something in and send it. Voila, the letter is here and the signature is visible at the bottom of the message. Now, if you really want to level up your email signature game, try some professional tools such as Design Hill Email Signature Generator, My Signature, or Mail Signatures. What's cool is that they're all free, so make sure to check them out. Okay, now for those who don't like using webmail and prefer a classic email client like Apple Mail or Outlook, you can easily do that too. We have videos on how to set up your email on all those platforms, so if you need some assistance, make sure to check them out. The links to them will be in the video description below. If you plan on setting up your business email with any other client, you'll need to know the server settings for them. When you first set up your email account, you should find everything you need when you click the recommended apps button. As you can see, we offer support on how to connect your business email to the most popular email clients like the aforementioned Apple Mail, Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, and Gmail. You will find all the necessary server and port details either by clicking on the specific application or under the server settings section. If you ever need to see those settings after the setup, you can find them by going to the email section on your H panel and clicking Connect Apps and Devices. For those of you choosing the Gmail option, we recommend using the Gmail mobile app rather than the desktop web interface. The Gmail mobile app supports direct IMAP POP connections, real-time synchronization, and local email storage, offering faster delivery and enhanced security. The web interface primarily supports adding external accounts via POP3, which does not offer the same level of synchronization and often results in long email receiving times. After setting up your email on other applications, make sure to test it out by sending messages to other accounts and even to yourself to confirm that you can both send and receive emails. Though, keep in mind that the domain name server record changes may take up to 24 hours to work properly, so if you cannot send an email right away, try to wait a little bit. Alright, your professional business email is now all set up. Please share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below the video, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We cover all sorts of topics such as website creation and making money online, so you'll definitely find something useful to learn. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.